Ay, nako. Mika. Hi, Mim.
Ayan na.
Mim.
Okay na, ma'am.
Mim. Bakit may laway ka, Mim? Mim, may tumutulo, Mim. Ayun, Mim, oh. Ay, Mim. Kainit? Say hi to University. Sure. Bye.
My name is Antoinette Rivero.
Pang 13 kami, guys.
13. Wish us luck.
Not bad luck.
It's my first date.
13 ha.
Good feeling about it.
Sure.
Really good.
Let's go and go. Oh my god. Hindi pala naka-record.
Wow.
There's an auditorium yun. We're ready to go. Tingnan po. Ay, good morning po. I think that dito.
Test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3.
Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3.
Live from Batangas City, I'm Chris Sorella, your News Center 1. William Lais reporting to you.
Antoinette Rivero reporting. Juliana Gonzalez, your answer 2. Juliana Gonzalez for you. Juliana Gonzalez with the team. Juliana Gonzalez with the team.